gladly we made it. I'm so happy for us. How do you feel?
I feel amazing.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm waiting for the breakfast for you. With
I
the
will
breakfast,
come.
I mean. It's ready.
Is it ready?
Yes.
Can you say where we are?
Yeah, we are down at the Psiloritis. I mean, look at this. We will climb there now after this beautiful breakfast. And we slept the night here in the car.
Let me show them the car. How it looks, you know? Yeah. How was your experience?
It was very nice. We are so close to the nature here. And I slept so well. It is so cozy, our car. I mean, you know, we have this blanket here, but it was a very good straight place here, and very cozy and very, very beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me show them a bit of our equipment.
Now,
Okay, this is our bag. We have some technical equipment inside. This is our ice box where we have our juice, and we have some food supplies, as you can see, and that's our tripod to take some landscapes. And other than that, you are more than welcome to join us for the breakfast. I decided to drink tea in the morning, and my lovely darling Mika decided to make a Greek coffee and drink Greek coffee. In the next videos we will show you the process of preparing such a breakfast, very healthy, very organic, and so we will enjoy our breakfast, you enjoy your time, then you will see us in after the breakfast while hiking or maybe climbing this Psiloritis mountain. And also we will add drone shots, so be prepared for that too. Can you explain what are these?
it looks like pharmacy, huh? No, it's not something chemical. We made some capsules. I mean, the most of them is self-made. This one. These are vitamins. This is MSM salt. This is barley grass powder, and this is ginger. We have some zinc. We have some omega-3 fat. No,
Yes.
is it?
Fish oil.
These are also
Vitamin B
vitamins.
complex and antioxidants.
No. Yeah, and we take that every morning, kurkuma and ashwagandha in the evening. Yeah, to get all that benefits from and to stay healthy and to strengthen our immune system. Yeah.
That's very good.
Yeah, mas.
And this is my piece.
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers.
How we say it in German? Toast?
Prost.
Prost. And see, we have a window up there. While we sleep, we put our heads there and we can look at the sky.
Yes.
Okay, so we ate our breakfast and now we are getting ready to hike. And then we have some water here. We have 3 bottles of water, 2 small and 1 big 1.5 liter. We have some carbs which we will take with us, banana and pistachios. And we organized the car. We put our things in one side. We are just experiencing everything. Everything is new for us, and we just by doing it, and we are also learning. So if you have any tips, any clues, anything to share with us. Leave us in the comment. We will read that and we will maybe use your experiences, or you can use our experience. We are pretty experienced, but we are always open to new ideas. So this will be our first, let's call it, hike, and then from there we have to go way further to the peak. How's your coffee?
It's very good. It's the first Greek coffee for this year, because
And
usually we are drinking this Freddo Espresso in the summer. It's still summer, but it's a good time to start our adventure. And it was a nice experience with a car, to sleep in the car this night and to wake up in the under this mountain, under this amazing Psiloritis, and we will climb there, hike there, whatever, a mix of both. And I'm pretty excited how this will go. Yeah.
did you notice the stars?
Yes, of course I noticed
How
the
clean they
stars.
look from here?
All of them. I mean, we saw so many stars. I don't know if I have seen in my whole life so many stars. It was very beautiful. Yeah.
I also enjoyed the night. In the morning, I think one shepherd came and passed by, and you were like, what's going on? Who is it? But it was just a very gentle person who passed by and didn't disturb us at all, and we keep sleeping till 9 a.m., which was very good, listening to the nature, to some birds, and also the oxygen here is so clean. I don't know, it is a bit high altitude, but not that high, but the air here is so clean and you don't hear anything but nature. And okay, so let's we will pack the bag and then we will continue hiking this Psiloritis mountain. Hope we get there where we want to get and everything goes right.
So we will go, huh?
Yes,
We will really start, huh?
yes, we
Yeah.
are about to hike this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have a little bit sun protection. We don't know if it's enough now. Look at this beautiful. You see what it is? Yeah, it's our first experience like that, and we're about to learn many things, I guess.
No, it's our it's our very first and beautiful experience,
Yeah,
I should say.
like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah, it is a mountain and we will climb it.
Yeah, it's more climbing than hiking, huh? When
It's
we saw
climbing.
it now,
Yeah.
we knew. We found out that our hiking idea figures out.
The thing is that there is no path here. It's like not a right way to climb this, you know. It's nobody climbs this mountain from this side.
Not?
No.
Okay. From where the other
Maybe.
people are climbing?
They are climbing it from some other place where we couldn't found.
Great. Okay, let's just try that.
Okay, so the main our mission is to first that we have to get through these stones, okay?
Yeah.
We have to get through these stones and then the rest is easy.
Also,
Yeah.
yeah. And taxi. See you later, guys. So the first steps. So we are walking now about 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes maybe, and it is something, no? And we calculated that maybe we will need 2 hours up to that peak, no? but we don't know yet. I mean, we will look, we will see how much time we are going to need, and at 3:30 we have to return because we will need the same time minimum down, and we will have at 7 o'clock the sunset, so we shouldn't try to walk that down in the darkness.
Idea is that I think that there are these herbs which has so much like needles.
Yeah.
They have needles, and the path we are hiking, there is no path. It is just in straightforward mountain. We need to hike it, and we need to find our own path.
Yes.
Here. So, and also the stones are not rock steady, and it is kind of difficult to hiking. I mean, going up is easy, but coming back down is kind of challenging thing, because it changes, the forces change, and you have to like brake, and when you brake and you cannot stop. Mika is saying that we will hike and we will go up, but I'm in the middle. I'm thinking, I don't know, to go up or to go back, maybe try from another way some other day. What do you say?
I say we are going to the top of that mountain, to the peak of that mountain, and we can do that. I'm pretty sure.
To the summit.
To the summit.
Yes,
Whatever.
not peak, it's summit.
Okay,
Yes.
good. We are still learning many things.
I was learning my English. Okay, I took
So-
some photos. It seems very beautiful. We will do that.
Yes, let's do that. Just let's try that path. Somehow we will find a way between all that herbs and all that needles and all that stuff. You don't look so motivated, but we are going to do that. Honey, we can do that.
We will do
Yes. So we are about to climb the Pseudoritis. Took a small break. We are taking a small break to drink something, to breathe a bit. It's quite challenging, huh? What do you think?
It's the only problem here is that this is like, you can see these stones. These stones are so much like, it's just small stones. It's slippery, you know, because of the small stones. That is the challenge, and there is no any other challenge. And it's like, okay, we have to climb the rest. It's going to be like a 20 minutes or maybe 30 minutes of hike, because you will be careful, you will hike slow, will climb slow, but from there it is just hike, it is just walking to the summit. So the difficult part is this one. So if we have to be careful, if we be careful, nothing will happen.
Okay, and I think we have almost the half, maybe. Yeah, let's be motivated, let's be positive. We have almost the half.
No, it's not the half. It is not the half. We are going to like walk 2-3 kilometers when we are top up there.
Yes, I mean from the climbing part.
Yeah, the climbing part.
No.
Yeah, it's almost half.
Yeah, and so far we don't see around another path, so I think we did the right decision to climb that way. There is not an easier way up that mountain.
From here where we are, it is, when we came to this place from Anogia side, where there is a cave, Eideon Andron cave, the cave of Zeus is also in this part. You will see this path, but if you go to the other side, where we couldn't find at night, it is from the Zoniana, where there is a refuge camp for those hikers, for ski people.
Skiers, yeah.
Skiers, yeah. So maybe it is possible that there is a path that you can climb or you can hike, but this one is, I don't see so far anybody hike this way.
Yeah.
This one. Yeah, maybe some people. Yeah, there are some adventurous people.
Like us. A bit crazy.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
Okay. So So we will drink water and we will continue.
See you later.
See you later. We have been climbing this path and it seems to be not an easy one, but it is quite an adventure to do it, and Mika encouraged me to do it. I was a bit being a little bit what they say, careful, or yeah,
Careful.
I was being a bit careful to not hurt ourselves, but right now we are not far away from the first summit. We will get there, and yeah, it is quite fun.
Yeah, we are about to do it, guys. I mean, who knew this when we were down there and we had the first thoughts if it's possible? But yeah, we can do that, and we are about to do that. It's just a few meters and we are up there, and then we will see new horizons, guys.
Yes, and there are 3 goats there.
Yes, they did it as well, so how we can also do that.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we barely can see our car over there.
Shining there in
Yeah.
the sun.
So we will take a small break here, drink some water, get some carbohydrates. Take the GoPro a little bit this side so I can take it to this.
Landscaper. No way is too difficult for the perfect shot. And you have a human being in your picture. What's wrong with you?
Okay.
Okay.
We finally climbed this mountain from a straight way, and it is we are in very high altitude, maybe 2,400 meters above the sea. The oxygen levels are good, but we feel some
It's something.
Yeah.
I feel it already. And look, we are quite there.
Yes.
Yes.
And to be honest, we are not any experienced. We have experiences, but we are not that experienced, or not lately. We haven't been training, or we haven't been putting ourselves into adventures, but gladly we made it. I'm so happy for us. How do you feel?
I feel amazing. I mean, I will feel better when we are really on top. You know, that is something like when we enjoy the view completely around all the sides. But yeah, it was something.
It was a hell of a
Really
climb.
proud of us.
Okay, so we still have to go even further, and then we will fly the drone from there also. Okay, ladies first.
But I want to go there.
Yes, we will go there.
There.
Yeah.
But already, I mean, look around here. Look. It's like we're in another world now.
Look at this.
Look at this.
And look at that. Amazing.
Maybe you see from here the sea.
Yeah.
You see Heraklion. You see the island Dia. You see all the villages around, all the mountains around. And I'm pretty sure if we are here on the top, we can see the island.
Let's try that. We finally climbed this mountain from a very strange way, and it is we are in very high altitude, maybe 2,400 meters above the sea. The oxygen levels are good, but we feel some
It's something.
Yeah.
I feel it already. And look, we are quite there.
Yes.
Yes.
And to be honest, we are not any experienced. We have experiences, but we are not that experienced, or not lately. We haven't been training, or we haven't been putting ourselves into adventures, but gladly we made it. I'm so happy for us. How do you feel?
I feel amazing. I mean, I will feel better when we are really on top. You know, that is something like we will enjoy the view completely around all the sides. Yeah, it was something.
It was a hell of a climb.
Proud of us.
Okay, so we still have to go even further, and then we will fly the drone from there also. Okay, ladies first.
But I want to go there.
Yes, we will go there.
There.
Yeah.
But already, I mean, look around here. Look. It's like we're in another world now.
Look at this.
Look at this.
And look at that. Amazing.
Maybe you see from here the sea.
Yeah.
You see Heraklion. You see the island Dia. You see all the villages around, all the mountains around. And I'm pretty sure if we are here on the top, we can see the island.
Let's try that.
That's an Alp flower. It's from the Alps. The name is Alpenveilchen. Alpenveilchen.
I don't know if you can see this, but it's a memory written here. It's like Iota, Kappa, V. It seems to be like 1980, and I, A, X, and but it's good to be here and to see this. 1980. Yeah, like 9 years before I was born. Yeah. So beautiful. Psilorítis seems pretty far.
Highest part of the Psilorítis. We will check if we can go there.
But the question is, how this beton can exist here?
Yeah, that's a good question. This is obviously beton, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is also from beton here.
How this?
Yeah, I think they made something here because this is a cement, huh? From this part of the Psilorítis. And here maybe was something built. But you see here, break. Yeah, it's broken. Here's also iron.
Yeah. So how they carry these things here?
Good question.
Maybe
they
helicopter?
Helicopter?
It's very possible.
A very strong one because I don't have any idea how much weight
possible.
can take a helicopter.
Helicopter can carry a tank. The big ones. Yeah, but they built it here something. And we have memories here from 1969, from 1967, 1973, 1964, 1960, the oldest one. And this seems like a small shelter, a small refuge. I don't know if somebody slept here ever. It's very possible after these writings, you know. They were the people, those who built this.
Yeah, these people, they made these memories, they had time. Then they had also time to build something like that.
Yes.
Yeah. But do you think it's safe? I mean, now not anymore, of course, but it's...
Yeah, it would have been safe
built,
here.
huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we were thinking we might climb this summit and then we will be in Psilorítis. But it seems that we were not so much right. The Psilorítis is way far there. The summit of the real summit of Psilorítis.
Yeah, the highest point. I mean,
The highest
also
point.
in the mountains of the Psilorítis, no?
Yeah.
This is also part of the Psilorítis, but up there you see the summit.
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 Yeah.
And that's too much for today because we don't have more time. And also I think it's pretty cold here. And as we say, we are not much experienced. So when we go there another day, we need, I think, special equipment, more warmer clothes, maybe also better shoes. But I was okay with my sneakers. Do you know that?
Yes.
Yeah. I mean,
But the thing is,
yeah.
before we get to the summit, there is a refuge place where we need to find, and we park our car, and from there is a very obvious visible path that we can take, and we can hike the summit and we can get there. But this which we came is very rare, and you can see the memories. Like in 2008 also somebody was here, but it seems to be also part of Psilorítis. We did what we could but now we are taking a break here. We are going to drink water and relax a bit, then we will go back.
So we are on the way down, back, and it's quite more difficult, I find it quite more difficult than to go up, because you need much power in the knees, and yeah, I don't have much power there. But this path here down to the way what we choose to take as a way down is very beautiful.
Do you want to check that out? What is that in that hole?
Why not? Let's do that. It's not so far.
There is a hole.
Yes, maybe there's a cave or something. Yes.
What possibly could be the reason for something to form like this, you know? It's kind of broken.
Yeah.
It's like if something comes and hit this area, like
It seems to me like different
layer.
layers of rocks, different colors.
Black, gray, dark.
Yeah. Maybe from different eras, you know, different times. And yeah, with the time, they broke. Oh, what do you think?
This is why this one specific layer is kind of dark.
Yeah.
And this layer where they have this white lines, with these white lines, okay, you see? So they polish this and they use it as a decoration for some of
Yeah, it's worn
houses.
many times. Yeah.
Yeah, this. It is all over Crete,
Yeah.
this rock. Yeah. Please check that out.
Yes, let's go there. So let's see what is inside. I saw here, look there, some small birds and a small cave.
It's like something may explode here or hit here like an asteroid or something, you know? Otherwise it cannot exist.
Yeah, something.
Yeah, there is a
Big
bottle of Coca-Cola
felt,
or
yeah.
something. Some chef has left it here. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Strange.
Strange, huh?
But nice to explore.
So what do you think?
I think it was a wonderful journey until now. I'm quite happy, and now we are figuring out the way to go back and get to the car to go home, because we have also tomorrow 2 things to do.
Yes. So let's go. Come on. So let's see what is inside. I saw here, look there, some small birds and a small cave.
It's like something may explode here or hit here like an asteroid or something, you know? Otherwise it cannot exist.
Yeah, something.
Yeah, there is a
Big
bottle of Coca-Cola
felt,
or
yeah.
something. Some chef has left it here. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Strange.
Strange, huh?
But nice to explore.
So, what do you think?
I think it was a wonderful journey until now. I'm quite happy, and now we are figuring out the way to go back and get to the car to go home, because we have also tomorrow 2 things to do.
Yes. So let's go. Come on. So we are on the way back and we had to take a break. It is a disaster, but it's okay. We will get it. We just remembered that we have 2 more beers downstairs in the cooling box, and we said okay. We will enjoy that after. But it is the most, I mean, you can see that part is done. That part we have to do. It's not so difficult anymore. Oh, what do you think?
No, it's not difficult. What I was okay, so it was overall a very beautiful journey. We took some beautiful photos, we flew the drone, and we got some beautiful shots, which was amazing. But yeah, hiking, climbing has its challenges, and I think someday we will be proud for what we did.
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
And for sure we have left nothing in front of us, but we still need to walk around like 45 minutes or 30 minutes still to get to the car and to drink that beer. Yeah, so
let's go.
It's a beautiful day, it's a wonderful day, and everything is so cool. Yeah, but we were so disconnected from the social media, we were so much disconnected from this noise of the city, ambient noise, and it kinda feels good sometimes to not have any sounds.
It grounded us.
Yeah.
And now we are much more relaxed than before.
Although
it was just one day,
yeah,
and we are completely out of that world what we are used to. No?
Although we are in the middle of somewhere where it is difficult, there are many difficulties to climb this mountain, because it is not rocks, it is stones, broken rocks, where it is difficult to go down and to climb. But we still feel relaxed inside, we feel peace and we feel happy, and there is something into nature, where if we find once the connection, it can really take us there. By saying there, it means where everybody wants to go. By having a job, running every day and doing blah 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 to be happy. But believe me, if we somehow also give a bit attention to nature and let the nature be part of our lives, not just by having a flower or by having a tree in our garden, just go there, out there, and connect to it. You know,
really out there.
Yeah, really
out there.
Really out there.
Yes.
Give all of you, and then you may find something. If you are seeking this, you will find it.
Yes, some person said, if so like far away, you can find maybe yourself.
But there is also a quote. They say, if you don't have it, if you don't find it in your heart, you will never find it under the tree. It's a Christmas quote, and Christmas is coming. Hopefully we will have a good Christmas out of this whole situation. We will continue our walk, we will go down, and then we will drink those beers, and then we will
drive home,
and then we will plan next one.
Yes.
Okay, so let's see. We will drink the beers and we will show it to you that we really have beers.
Yeah.
As you can see, we have the beers and we have had it inside this ice box to keep them cold. They are not cold, but they are still good. So we came, as you saw, that it is not Psilouritis. I mean, like, it is not the summit. The summit is way far, but it was a hell of experience. And then we went a bit further, where there was beautiful memories of people written as you saw in the video. Then we came down, which was a bit of easy climb to come down, and then we took that, there is a road, we took that and we arrived here. And it is the sun is already down, and we are in the same spot where we were last night. It was a good experience. So if you want to experience something like this, you are more than welcome to do it here or maybe somewhere else in the world, and it may change something in your life, or you will feel different about it. So hope you enjoyed the video.
Ja, genau, ihr Lieben. Wir hoffen, ihr habt das Video genossen. Fast auf dem Psilouritis. Nicht so ganz haben wir es geschafft, aber es ist auch sehr, sehr schwierig, den zu lokalisieren. Also das nächste Mal gehen wir ganz rauf, und heute haben wir auch ein Riesenabenteuer erlebt. Wir hoffen, ihr habt es genossen, und ihr habt was mitgenommen für euch und für eure Touren. Und ganz viel Spaß und bis zum nächsten Mal.
And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to watch videos and adventures like this more and more. Until the next time, peace.